Hi everybody, have a good day. We are seeing Python program basic. We have already completed 48 exercises. I hope everybody has watched that more early videos. Now we are going to see 49 program, that is exercise, the basic one. So we'll see and we will go for this class. Write a Python program to find the file and skip the directory of given directory. We'll see how to write the Python program on that. Import OS, and we are going to print f for f in OS dot list dir. I'm just giving the path of that. Small single quotes, trinket, and after that if OS dot path, so we need to skip that what is added, that right? So that's why we need to checking the path dot is field OS dot path dot join of trinket comma f and bracket this bracket curly bracket. So just I'm cross checking the same. We open that curly bracket there. So now we will run the program. Syntax is 1 second. We will run the program. Now you can see the history and JSON. This is the how the program is working. Now we are going to find the IP address. Write the IP address to validate a IP address. Okay, so just I am going to write IP address. Import socket add 10.84.1 and try. Socket dot inet underscore ATON of a address. So print valid IP. Except so get error. So now we will run the program. ID is not a correct one or not, just we need to check it out that. So socket dot one second, one program, that is line print invalid IP, because we are assigning something and it should become right. So it's checking whether it's valid or not. Yeah, it's valid, that's why it's showing that valid IP. Okay, now we will go for next program. Write a program to extract a single key pair to directory. So we will write a program on that. Red colon and green, and we will close the bracket. C1 comma C2 equal to D dot item items print C1 C2. Once again, now we will run the program. Red and green, just we are taking from the single key pair value pair and we are displaying. Okay, now we will go for next program. Write a program to find the location of Python model source. Okay, import sys print of nd list of dir in sys model. Okay, and print sys dot paths, print /n list of dir in OS model. Input OS print OS dot path. Now we are going to run the program. Now you can see the list of directory in the system model and list of directory in the OS model. So it's retrieving the system wise and it's retrieving the in OS model. So this is our requirement, and we are getting the as per the requirement result. So I hope today class you people are learned a new concept of how to take the directory and dir from OS and system model. Just my suggestion is try to do the practice on daily basis without fail. Just do have a answer on that, so that it will be helpful for you to develop your Python basic knowledge. Moreover, we are going to complete the basic program, so only we have few uh, Python program is there to left, basic one. Then we will go with next level of the programs. So if you face any issue or any programs you are stuck, just write in the comment. We will try to rectify that, and we will give the solution for that. Hopefully just go through all the videos, whatever the things we have done in previously, and have good answer, and we can develop the Python program. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching, and I will come with another basic program, Python basic program, in another video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.